英国在2017年，因为有少女模仿影片行短路，英国社会就开始讨论讲，中小学的囡仔敢要禁止使用手机咧。也毋过各界甲政党看法拢无啥共，也毋过有一寡家长甲学校就限制未成年的囡仔使用手机。有囡仔家己就讲无法度用手机啊，伊甲时间用伫甲亲戚朋友做伙，嘛是真趣味。
青少年到底几岁照顾家己的手机较好？英国金融时报伫最近委托的调查发现，有3成的成年人认为，囡仔满11到12岁，差不多是台湾读高中的年纪，才能有家己的手机啊。另外有28%的人讲，13到14岁才会使。根据英国政府的通讯管理局2024年4月调查显示，全国5岁到7岁囡仔内面，有要到1/4有家己的手机啊。伫即款囡仔内面，有真侪会定定使用抖音或者是发射 APP 等软体，完全拢无顾上计年龄13岁限制。不过就算是已经满13岁，若过度使用手机的囡仔，也会有心理方面的问题。
Let's say, for example, I watch a video. The next day, I wouldn't remember it. It's like fast food for the brain, you know. It just goes in your brain and like it doesn't have any use.
玛利亚因为父母的鼓励，就去参加当地一个青少年俱乐部，伫实体世界内面交朋友，看会出伊改变真多。
She was very withdrawal, stay in the house and stay on the phone, not wanted to go out and meet friends. So she had that anxiety to make friends. But now it's different. She gets excited to meet new people.
真侪研究已经证实，手机若用过头，会出现包括忧郁、焦虑，甚至是食物件有障碍。不过要安怎解决，大家看法无同。譬如讲，之前保守党政府就主张，应该由当事人或者是家长家己来判断。因为共党是认为要由国会来立法，限制青少年使用手机啊。所以有一寡学校规矩家己修改校规，严格规定学生伫咧上课的时阵，手机袂使摕出来用。
In the past, if you stood on the pavement, you'd see boy after boy arriving, even in a group, looking at their phones, almost internally on their own, even though they might be walking with their friends. Now they're talking to one another, they're aware of the area that they're walking in.
因为学生囡仔是安怎想？
I've started to take in the world more, and I've started to enjoy things that I didn't really used to enjoy.
I take more advantage of what I'm actually being taught instead of looking forward to being on my phones.
不过有的学校唔是完全禁止学生揸手機來學校，只是要求因伫咧上課時陣唔應用手機看影片，或者是做其他嘅代志。伫政府甲國會也無做出決定進前，怎麼學生囡仔、學校一個家長，大家攏是看書辦書。公視新聞徐嘉玲編譯。